Yo, big ballin' out here. Jesus Christ! Damn, bro. It is fun. Oh yeah, it's super notchy. Woo! Oh yeah. Shit, dude. Oh my god, it looks so clean. Fuck. How'd you feel there when we took off? Oh yeah. VTEC kicks in. There's a regular Optima. Woo! Hell yeah, that sounds good. Shit. Nice. That thing looks good. Yo, we live in the Optima now. We're gonna go up to Tacoma and look at an Evo 9 for Eric. Eric, you're joining the Evo gang? What?
No questions.
Yo, we made it and we parked right next to the Evo. Let's go take a look at this thing. I'm very excited. Oh, those are nice wheels. Damn, boy. It's got some carbon pots on here. Oh, that's rough. There's a couple things that need to happen on this car. And then there's this kind of damage right there. But everything else checks out. Oh, there are some scratches here on the bumper. But yeah, I mean, interior is all nice. It's got the full leather interior, the Recaros. Got the shifters, OEM steering wheel, red gauge clusters and stuff there. Yeah. Carbon trunk. Well, it's actually not. I don't think this is real. No, that's not real. We've got the, yeah. It's alright, it's alright.
So it's gonna get a new one of these.
Yep.
That's for sure. This is cracked, so it makes a little snapping sound.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay. Right on.
So
otherwise it looks, you know, Evo. It's Evo.
pretty standard, basic.
That's fucked up. Probably just need a new filter.
New filter. I mean, you could get a new filter.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, she says she'll stay. It's got coils on it already. That's nice. Yeah, but you can see the fitment. It's got the keys already. Oh yeah, I feel it. Yeah.
You listen to it right here. So yeah, there's no.
All right, we out here. How much?
5,000.
Sounds pretty tight.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
That's not pretty tight.
Hello.
That's normal.
1, 2,
AC
3,
works.
4, 5, 6.
See the mirrors?
Reverse, all good.
They work. The mirrors work.
Brakes,
that's
pretty
fine.
tight brakes. Very
Locks.
nice. Locks all work. Wait.
Those don't work.
Do the locks again. Yeah, looks good to me. All the windows, good.
You notice when you use a lot of power, the RPMs were going up.
It's on E, nice. I love that. Gotta love that. No gas. All right, initial impressions. Tell me.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
Too bad. Needs some cosmetic work.
A little bit of work, yeah.
Needs new headers.
Yeah. Well, we got OEM headers in the trunk there.
A little bit of work.
A little bit.
A little love.
How do you feel?
Feel good.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Just no maybe.
Take it for a test drive.
Take it for a test drive.
All right, let's do it. Rough. What the hell? Oh yeah, nice. Alrighty, boys, we're gonna take this thing out for a test ride. It's getting dark, so you might not be able to see anything, but that is a-okay. We'll just diagnose problems and talk about it later.
That clutch is way high.
Hey, get better at driving stick, huh? Ooh, she rubs.
Yeah, you saw the wheels.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, they're some pretty stiff
You drive it like it's a rally car, my guy.
coilovers.
Wow.
Yeah, but you have to start going, it's gonna shut off a bit.
Just don't kill us. Let's get my focus.
Alrighty, editor Alex here. I have some things to explain. We didn't actually buy that Evo 9. There were a couple issues with it. Otherwise, we would have. And those things were, it was leaking a little bit of oil out. Well, maybe a lot of bit of oil when we were doing pulls, and that was just spraying out of the motor. The ACD was not working properly, even though it was plugged in. And just a couple of other things like, you know, all that body damage and stuff. We just don't want to deal with it all. It would have been fine if it was just the body damage, but because of the extra motor stuff, the exhaust leak and all that stuff. I mean, they had an extra header and stuff, but it just didn't seem worth the price. So that is why we did not get this car. So yeah, it is what it is. Don't know what's going to happen, but stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one where we do even more crazy Evo things. Peace. Oh my god.